Hey, okay, hey guys, I'm back with another MSP video. So, today I'm on a computer, service will be unavailable. Oh, girl, this is not a test, this is your emergency broadcasting system announcement commitment of annual purge. I do not do the purge, I am good. Oof. Okay, so what I'm actually gonna be doing is I'm gonna be buying my best friend's wish list because she deserves it and she's my best friend. So let's go ahead and look at her wish list. Okay, wait, I don't think she actually wants most of these things. I know, I'm sorry about the typing thing. Yeah. Oh. Wall? So, I've known Ebony for a really long time. I don't think she wants his hair, though. There's me, and there's Kaylee, her, like, sister or something. I still don't understand all about that. My wig fell off! PG-13. Children. Get it right. Look at my girly. Oh, by the way, guys, I bought this whole outfit for her, this whole black outfit. Excuse me, I didn't burp, but I was going to. Those cowboy boots. Though. On a date. Or not. Okay. I'm recording BT to me. The deed has been done. Oh. No. Well, here we go. Buying everything off of our wish list. Wait, do you want to give your own summer must? No. I'm rude. No, I'm just joking. I'm gonna be doing a mail time soon. I just have to wait till, I gotta wait. Because I don't know if this video is even gonna record or upload on YouTube. So, yeah. I have to do like a test video first. My wig fell off. Yep. Best friend. Mine's all of mine. My wig flew off. Okay, well, bye guys. I will see y'all tomorrow maybe. I might be posting an MSP mail time that I haven't posted yet, but it's an older one. So yeah, I will see you guys later. Bye.